Nollywood industry. Nollywood. If you are in Nollywood or you are tending to be in Nollywood, come nearer. Share this to people. If you are planning to be in Nollywood, there are two things that will happen in Nollywood soon. Two things will happen in Nollywood. And I am seeing 4 people. Yeah, 4 people. A male and the 3 female. Yeah, a male and 3 female. That is 1 actor and 1 actress. Yes. 3 of them. Please share this across. You will get across to those people. They will see it. And I know they will testify. Mark today. Mark today. Today you are seeing this video. Check the time. Check the dates. These 3 people are female and 1 is a male. You are going to rise today. 2 people had been suffering in the industry for many years. They have been suffering in the industry for many years. 2 people, they have been suffering for many years. No way to show them up, but there is a script that will come out. And that script, they will not pay you. They will tell you, we don't have money, come and do this job. Please, listen to me very well. The Lord have called me to tell you this. This is night, this is midnight. It is midnight. If possibly, if you jump into this, share it across that people will know. And I would want that person also to testify, because God is going to do great things in his life and in their lives. 2 people have been suffering for many years. They have even seen many things in life, and why they are suffering is that they don't want to fall down with everybody they see. That is why they are still suffering. But there is a script that will come. That is the script that will bring you to a limelight. You will become known internationally. Before the end of this year, you will become a superstar that your name will be everywhere. People will be remembering you like the way they remember Sophia, Chiwetalagodem, and Van Vika. All of them that are prominent now, your name will be greater than their own, and you will have money. That car you want to buy, you are going to buy them. But there is something. There is something the Lord said I should tell you. That is the second thing. Be ready, one, that God is lifting you up. Yes. 4 of you, be ready. If you are in the industry now, 2 is coming new. 2 are new people, but 2 had been suffering in the industry. But God is going to raise these 4. He's going to raise these 4. That's the secondly. If you are coming into industry, you don't know whom you are, God will bless you. There's something he said he should not do. That is the second thing. This second thing he said he should not do is leave anything that is in between the legs, whether woman or man. Anybody that call you, tell him no, tell her no. Whether a woman or a man, tell him no, tell her no. This thing in between the legs, you know what I'm talking about. Avoid it. If you are coming up, you want to join the industry, your own will be like those ones that have not joined the industry. Will be like a film. The way cinema is acted, it will be like that. So a producer will call you, or even a director, or even one of the prominent crew members that can sack you will call you. They will ask for that thing in between your legs, maybe a woman or a man. They will ask about it. But when they ask about it, don't give them. Don't give them. And don't give it to anyone, no matter how you love him in that place you are doing movies. The people that are working with you, don't you ever give them at all. Don't give. If you try to give any of them, you will not shine. And that movie, you will not do it. But the movie that will lift you people up that is what will lift you up. Don't allow this thing in between the legs to remove you from the food you eat. One of you One of you, your mother is dead and your father is dead. You are just rushing to see whether things will work out. You had been looking for it for a long time, but the opportunity will come. That is what will bring you up. Share this across to anybody you are seeing, because God is about to do something great. I don't say what my God said I should not do. I don't say what He said I should not say. I am saying this. I know one good day you will come across my channel again and tell me God has done it. 4 people. I say 4 people. 2 female, 3 female, and 1 man. 1 man. God is going to lift you. God is going to lift you. And another one, anybody that is in the movie industry, you are a prominent person. Listen to me. Listen to me. I don't proclaim doom. I don't proclaim doom. Anybody that is in the industry, the movie industry, you are a prominent. People know your name very well. Avoid food. Avoid food. When the directors bring food for you, I know it is the welfare that brings food. Please tell them to give you money. If you are prominent, somebody is about to be poisoned. But the Lord, through this movie, through this, what I'm saying now, will redeem you. If you are prominent, you know you are acting movies and people are looking for you everywhere. Please avoid eating a food they give you. Rather use your money, that money to buy. Tell them I need money to buy. The way Chiwetalago normally do it and so many other people do it. Continue doing it. Somebody is about to be poisoned. They will poison one person. I don't know who that person is, but that is what the Lord said I should do. If you are in Nollywood or you have a brother that is in Nollywood, share this across to them. And make sure you hit on the subscription button. That is the only best thing you can do for me to make me happy. Hit on the subscription button. Share this across to anybody you know. Just share it across to anybody you know, because this is not only for the Nollywood. There are people that are certain to be in Nollywood that will see this. Share it across to people. One, to help someone to avoid, so that he will move forward, and help people that will eat poison. Prominent Nollywood actors that will eat poison this season, they are waiting for them. They are waiting for them. They are just waiting for them. And if they run away from this, if they run away from these 2 things and eating what is not obtainable, they are going to be alive and see next year. Please share this across to people. Like it, subscribe, follow me, continue hitting on the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification any moment I post anything here. Continue doing good, because God is still speaking from the mouth of men. God bless you.